Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Figma versus Visio. Figma is primarily designed for collaborative user interface and user experience design, allowing teams to create interactive prototypes and design systems in real time. Visio, on the other hand, is a powerful tool for technical diagramming, flowcharts, and process mapping, often used for business and engineering purposes. Your choice depends on whether your main focus is on digital product design or detailed technical documentation. When it comes to teamwork, Figma truly shines with its real-time, cloud-based collaboration, enabling multiple users to work on the same file simultaneously from anywhere. Visio, while offering collaboration, typically involves sharing files and working on desktop versions, which can be less immediate. Figma's web-based nature means accessibility across various devices, whereas Visio provides robust offline capabilities and deep integration within the Microsoft Office suite. Figma offers advanced features like sophisticated prototyping, comprehensive design systems, and seamless developer handoff, making it ideal for crafting intricate user interfaces. Visio excels with its extensive stencil libraries, data linking capabilities, and powerful process modeling, perfect for creating detailed network diagrams, floor plans, or organizational charts. Each tool provides specialized functionalities tailored to distinct design and diagramming needs. Regarding cost, Figma provides a free starter plan, alongside various tiered paid subscriptions designed for growing teams. Visio is typically acquired through one-time purchases or as part of a Microsoft 365 subscription. Figma integrates broadly with numerous design and development tools, fostering a flexible ecosystem. Visio, conversely, is deeply embedded within the Microsoft environment, offering strong synergy with applications like Excel and SharePoint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.